Before jumping into setting up Studio One on your machine, I'd like to point out my favorite 5 features, so it gives you an idea on what to look forward to when using this software. My first favorite is the look of the software. Its user interface is really nice and slick and clean, and it's really easy to navigate it and find where everything is. And if you do get a bit stuck, you can enable this help option over here, so when you navigate around, you get pop-ups on what each item and its function is. So it's just a great way to get familiar with everything and where it's placed. But hopefully I'm going to get you familiar with everything so you don't need to use this. And the next thing is its support for drag and drop functionality. I think almost everything supports it. Like if I want to add a preset plugin to a track, I can just drag it onto the track. Or even if I just want to change the instruments, I can just simply drag it on from the preset browser and it'll update the instrument. Now the scratch pad might be my favorite of the lot. What it does is it gives you a secondary arrangement area where you can create an alternative arrangement. So all your tracks and their associated plugins and mix levels stay intact, but then you can create a new scratch pad and you can drag across your arrangements and then make edits to it. For example, maybe you want a shorter edit of your song. Then you can go in and remove the bits, like maybe shortening the verses, and there you quickly and easily have an alternate version of your song. So it's a great way to try out new ideas without having to create a whole new song or project for it. My fourth favorite is the My Tai synth, which is an amazing synth that comes bundled with Studio One. I really like the presets that come with it, and it's really easy to edit and program in your own sounds. I'll experiment a bit with it later in the course by adding in a synth line to my song, and you can see how it works. And finally, I'm a super fan of Melodyne, and it's awesome that it's now integrated into Studio One, which makes it seamless to use when you want to pitch and time correct your audio. For example, like pitch correcting slightly out of key vocals. Or even if you want to take an audio idea and then convert it to MIDI using Melodyne's advanced pitching algorithms. So it's not only for voice correction, it can be used for many other features, and I'll experiment with this through the course. So now that you know my favorite 5 features, let's jump in and see how to get set up with it.